As per the most recent long-haul gauge, a share cost will hit $7 toward the finish of 2023 and afterward $8 by the center of 2024. A share will ascend to $10 inside the extended time of 2026, $12 in 2027, $15 in 2029, and $20 in 2035. A share value forecast 2023 to 2024. A share cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, a share exchanged at $6.11, so the cost expanded by 2% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated a share cost toward the finish of 2023 is $7.93 and the year-to-year change plus 32%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 30%. In the primary portion of 2024, the share cost will move to $8.40. In the last part, the cost would lose $1.04 and close the year at $7.36, which is plus 20% to the ongoing cost. The gauge for later, close to days and months. Monday, November 26 $6.16. Tuesday, November 21 $6.20. Wednesday, November 22 $6.24. Thursday, November 23 $6.29. Friday, November 24 $6.33. Saturday, November 25 $6.37. Sunday, November 26 $6.42. Monday, November 27 $6.46. December 15 $7.24. January 15 $7.97. February 15 $8.05. March 15 $8.12. April 15 $8.20. May 15 $8.28. A share expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring a huge increment. A share cost would move from $7.36 to $16.52, which is up 124%. A share will begin 2025 at $7.36, then, at that point, take off to $7.70 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $8.15. That implies plus 33% from today. A share expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the share cost would ascend from $16.52 to $19.24, which is plus 16%. A share will begin 2030 at $16.52, then take off to $16.66 inside the principal half of the year and finish 2030 at $17.66. It is about plus 189% from today. A share value expectation 2023 to 2024. A share cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, a share exchanged at $5.36, so the cost diminished by 11% from the start of the year. The gauge share cost toward the finish of 2023 is $6.40 and the year-to-year change plus 7%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 19%. In the main portion of 2024, the share cost will move to $6.78. In the final part, the cost would lose 84 cents and close the year at $5.94, which is plus 11% to the ongoing cost. A share expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring a huge increment. A share cost would move from $5.94 to $13.32, which is up 124%. The share will begin 2025 at $5.94, then take off to $6.21 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $6.57. That implies plus 23% from today. A share forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the share cost would ascend from $13.32 to $15.51, which is plus 16%. A share will begin 2030 at $13.32, then take off to $13.43 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2030 at $14.24. It is about plus 166% from today. 10/15/2023. A share value forecast 2023 to 2024. A share cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, a share exchanged at $4.28, so the cost diminished by 29% from the very outset of the year. The determined share cost toward the finish of 2023 is $5.50 and the year-to-year change 8%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 28%. In the primary portion of 2024, the share cost will move to $5.80. In the final part, the cost would add 36 cents and close the year at $6.16, which is plus 44% to the ongoing cost. A share expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. A share cost would move from $6.16 to $11.43, which is up 86%. A share will begin 2025 at $6.16, then take off to $6.43 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $7.59. That implies plus 77% from today. A share forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the share cost would ascend from $11.43 to $15.20, which is plus 33%. A share will begin 2030 at $11.43, then, at that point, take off to $12.16 inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2030 at $12.89. It is about plus 201% from today. 10/1/2023. A share value forecast 2023 to 2024. A share cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, a share exchanged at $4.60, so the cost diminished by 23% from the outset of the year. The anticipated share cost toward the finish of 2023 is $5.69, and the year-to-year change 5%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 24%. In the main portion of 2024, the share cost will move to $6. In the final part, the cost would add 37 cents and close the year at $6.37, which is plus 38% to the ongoing cost. A share forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. A share cost would move from $6.37 to $11.82, which is up 86%. A share will begin 2025 at $6.37, then take off to $6.65 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $7.85. That implies plus 71% from today. A share forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the share cost would ascend from $11.82 to $15.74, which is plus 33%. A share will begin 2030 at $11.82, then take off to $12.58 inside the principal half of the year and finish 2030 at $13.33. It is about plus 190% from today. 9/15/2023. A share value expectation 2023 to 2024. A share cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, a share exchanged at $4.74, so the cost diminished by 21% from the outset of the year. The determined share cost toward the finish of 2023 is $6.17, and the year-to-year change plus 3%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 30%. In the primary portion of 2024, the share cost will drop to $5.40. In the final part, the cost would add 20